Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and enjoy. If you guys want to join any of my groups, things like that, all links down in the description. Also, if you're ordering any motorized bike parts and you're willing to get them through gasbike.net, my affiliate link is below. I'd appreciate that support if you can click on that link and order something from there. So today we're just doing a short video. I'm going to be teaching you a simple mod with your motorized bike exhaust that's going to make your motorized bike just a little bit faster and a little bit louder, which we're kind of looking for because when these motorized bikes come, they're super quiet and super slow. So we're always looking for a little more speed there. So today we're going to be looking at a little bit of speed that we can get for free. So basically we're just going to be looking at this lame motorized bike exhaust we've got here. It's just this junky little thing. It's super quiet, and if you're looking for a little bit more speed, then you're going to want to do this mod. So it's really simple as this. You just have to grab your exhaust, get a 10mm wrench, I'm thinking it is, and we just have to take the tip off by unscrewing this bolt. Alright, so now after that, we just gotta take this washer off, don't lose that, and then the tip. The tip comes right off like that, as simple as that. You got a threaded bolt that goes right up inside the exhaust. So basically we've got this little muffler right here that completely quiets down the exhaust when it's coming out of the machine, but it also really restricts it from coming out, which is not going to be able to take as much gas in if it's not allowing it to come out as fast. So it's blocking it, making it go slower. So when we take this tip off right here, it allows the gas to flow so much smoother through the cylinder, making your bike go so much faster. Now, there are a couple problems with this, and the first one is after a while, a few hundred miles, maybe on your motorized bike, all the rattling from the exhaust coming out and being so much louder, causing a lot more ruckus, is gonna break the muffler from the actual exhaust right here, which is gonna become a problem because after a while, you're just gonna have this hot dog piece right here. And the reason that's a bigger problem is there's no back pressure at all going back into the engine, which is gonna allow gas just to freely flow out of the engine without burning. So if you want, you can also take out the insides to cause less rattling, but at that point, you're still having no back pressure, which is gonna cause gas to freely leave your bike without getting burnt. So it's probably a good idea to have some back pressure, so it's probably not a good idea to take the insides out. So this mod is something that can totally help you. It's not the best mod in the world considering you're losing all that back pressure that this cap keeps in, which you need back pressure for your engine. So yeah, it's a great mod for someone who doesn't want to buy the exhaust, and which is great because it's cheap and easy to do, but it's something that you kind of should, after a little bit, maybe buy something like a stinger pipe or something. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give this video a thumbs up, please subscribe, and enjoy.